Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sotya Anggoro as a team leader of the Research Community Service. And then the lecture member is Maidia Safitri and Zuri Nurisna. And then the students member is Rizky Imam Asyidiki, lalu Adrian Fatur Rahman, Muhammad Davin Agustian, and the lecture collaboratory is the Nur Hayati. The department and the faculty is Automotive Engineering Technology from the vocational program UMY. And the program title is the Training on Starting Micro Enterprises to Improve the Appearance and Mechanical Properties of Materials in Automotive Components through the Electroplating Process in Wanujoyo. The program scheme is PKM Riset Terapan. The background of this research is that corrosion is a major issue for automotive components, especially those made of low-carbon steel, which can reduce service life and safety. Environmental factors such as humidity, salt, and pollution accelerate the rate of the corrosion. Nickel-chrome electroplating is a standard industry method to improve corrosion resistance and surface hardness. The effectiveness of the plating is highly dependent on process parameters, especially the temperature during the final chrome plating stage. The objective of the research is to analyze the effect of varying chrome plating temperature on the corrosion rate of the nickel plate steel. The scope is the research focuses on varying the chrome plating from 23 to 25 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. The research approach and the design is that a multi-stage experimental process including surface preparation, a two-step plating process, the nickel and then chrome, and final testing. The variables is in the independent variable chrome plating temperature, and then the dependent variable is corrosion rate and surface hardness. The nickel plating is conducted at 40 degrees Celsius for 30 and 60 minutes. And then the chrome plating is conducted at room temperature for about 24 degrees Celsius. And then on 40 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius for 5 seconds. The corrosion testing is using the electrolysis method in natural seawater media in the two different beaches. And the hardness testing using a microFigures hardness tester on the raw material, nickel layer and the chrome layer. The microstructure is also using an optical microscope to observe the cross-section and the measure layer thickness. The result of this research is the corrosion resistance. All plated samples showed the significantly better corrosion resistance than the uncoated raw material. A clear trend was observed as the chrome plating temperature increased. The corrosion rate significantly decreased. The optimal result was achieved at 50 degrees Celsius, which exhibit the lowest corrosion rate in both seawater environments. And then the surface hardness, the plating process drastically increased surface hardness from the 175 Vickers hardness numbers into the 496 Vickers hardness numbers, and this represents a 282% increase in hardness compared to the raw material. And then the microstructure and the thickness, the nickel base layer was uniform and well adhered. The chrome layer deposit at 50 degrees Celsius was visually the most uniform and dense with the finest grain structure. The conclusion is the nickel chrome plating process is highly effective for improving the corrosion resistance and surface hardness of low carbon steel components. Chrome plating temperature is a critical parameter. Increasing the temperature from room temperature to 50 degrees Celsius progressively improves performance. The optimal temperature identified in this study is 50 degrees Celsius, which result in the lowest corrosion rate and the highest surface hardness. The discussion of impact, the improved properties at 50 degrees Celsius are directly linked to the formation of a denser, more uniform and defect-free chrome microstructure. And then the 282% increase in hardness provides significantly resistant to mechanical wear, scratches, and abrasion. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.